you with it, drop it.
What's going on, everybody? I'm back again. Some of that is not a review. This action. I'm cooking it up. I'm gonna try to complete 2 meals today, but I'm only gonna post one on YouTube today and maybe one tomorrow. Today I'm gonna probably try to hook up some steaks, some chicken habanero, mango sauce. I'm thinking about some loaded potatoes, maybe some Mexican corn, and who knows. I guess you're gonna have to see when I'm done. But you're not probably gonna see my face no more after this. You're probably just gonna hear my voice. So until then, okay, everybody. What I got right here, some chicken breast. I'm gonna put some mango habanero on these bad boys. A few chicken breasts, not much. I ain't gonna do it that big today. So what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna just add a little Himalayan salt, little black pepper. Reason being, because I'm gonna put that mango habanero sauce on there, and I don't want it to be overpowering with all the seasonings. So put a little complete on there. Not much. I'm gonna do it much. Okay, I got that bag for that. I'm going here and cut these bad boys in half, put them in a pile of water and let them boil, because it's gonna be the beginning to my loaded mashed potatoes. We'll go ahead and open up that corn. Begin the process of my Mexican corn. On my whole corn right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain out the juice from my pot. I'm gonna add some chili powder to my corn. Chili powder. I'm gonna add some cilantro to my corn. Not much, I can just whip those bad boys up. I ain't gotta go through the trouble of doing some knife action. Still on. Add that cilantro. Might add some sugar too. Of course, we can't forget the butter. Put that all up in there. Turn that on. Low. My green onion tops. Some I have for my loaded potato. People, look what I have here. I don't eat them, and my daughter loves me. I'm going to go ahead and start this mango habanero sauce. I might do it differently, but I'm doing it my way. I'll add some butter to my little blender. Cut off the tip to this bad boy. I ain't gonna do it that bad. I took out the seed to them. Add that to the butter. I might add a little sugar to it. Some people may not do it like that, but cut the sauce a little bit. I know the mango is supposed to cut a little salt, but not enough. And what I have here is a fresh mango. I don't know where they from, where they grow, but it tastes amazing. Mangoes are actually, once you get them started, quite easy to peel. You don't really have to do any cutting. That boy is slippery, but really juicy. And that. Another piece. Definitely want to get that flavor. Go through and through. Good. Just peels right off. Add that. We add that. Then I'm
Add a little 7-Up. That mango habanero.
Came out a little, you can see it's coming out, came out a little bit. Add a little bit.
Throw that in the blender.
Go ahead and add some pre-cut onions that I'm gonna add to my string beans. Do a handful, throw that up in there. My potatoes are pretty much done. I left the peelings on there because it adds a certain flavor to it. I mean, when you have these beans, you can actually leave the the peelings on the potatoes when you're doing these stuffed potato situation, because you know they are edible. So have me a little bit of bacon that I'm gonna add to it. It's gonna all come together right. Let me see. Let me toss these things up in a little. I don't know the string beans. Toss them up a little bit. I need to go check on my pit. I'm gonna go ahead and mash these potatoes up as much as possible. Go ahead and add some half and half milk to that potato mixture. Little salt. Pepper, of course. I'm almost out of ground pepper. Go ahead and add my bacon to it. Okay, go on low. I added some bacon to my loaded mash mixture. A few of these, I don't know what y'all know about this. Yep. Then on these tops, I'm gonna add to my thing. Go ahead and I want the green parts right there. It's gonna be the green on the top. Add that to my potato mixture. These greens. Go ahead and turn things off. As you can see, there's my cheese. A lot of it. To my potato mix. Turn that bad boy.